In this lesson, I will explain to you adding and subtracting fractions. So our first question is, we have to add, right, 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 plus 5 divided by 4. So see, there is a negative sign, there is a positive sign in the fraction as well, and these are the fractions. And if I ask you what type of fraction it is, 3 divided by 4, so this is the proper fraction, and proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. This is also proper fraction because numerator is lesser than denominator, but this fraction is the improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. If we have improper fraction in the answer, you can convert improper into whole number or mixed number. On the other hand, you cannot convert proper fraction into mixed number because the numerator is lesser than denominator. So how to add or subtract these kind of fractions? First of all, you have to see whether or not the denominator is same or not. So this is very simple question. In this question, you can see all the denominators are same, 4, 4, 4. If denominator is same, there is no need to do anything. Just write down 4 in the denominator only one time, which is called the LCM. Only one time you have to write down 4 in the denominator. Do not write down please 3 times 4, 4, 4. Only one time. When you have the same denominator. So see, we have same, and write down in the numerator whatever you have in the numerator with the same sign. So we have 3 minus 2 positive 5. We have these integers in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. I will do one more step, so you will see this is positive, this is positive. I can write down these together, and then minus 2 is negative, so I will write down here divided by 4. So 3 plus 5, 8 minus 2 divided by 4. So the remaining I will do here is equal to 8 minus 2, 6 divided by 4. And 6 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 2. See, 2, 3 times 6, we can divide it. 2 times 4, so 3 over 2. And this is, our answer is in the improper. Numerator is greater than denominator, and I told you that if it is improper, we can convert it to the mixed fraction. How? So just write down 3, and we have to divide 3 by 2, so it will be equal to 2 1 times 2. So the answer is 1 whole number 1 over 2. Always keep in mind, you have to start from here. 1 whole number, this is quotient, is the whole number. Then come to the remainder. Remainder will be numerator, and this is the divisor, will be the denominator. You have to write down like this: 1 whole number 1 over 2. Do not write down 2 whole number 1 over 1. 1 whole number 1 over 2. When I will again make it improper fraction, so how I will do it? 2 1 times 2, then I have to add this one, so it will be 3 over 2. So it will be again this same, right? So if you have a same denominator, whether you are doing addition, subtraction or mixed, whatever, write down only one time. Write down numerator what you have in the same way with the same sign, and do the plus minus. Here you do not have the denominator same. See, this is 4, 8 and 2. One is positive, one is negative. These are the fractions, right? Okay, how you will solve it? I will write down one more time the question, so we cannot disturb the question. So it is our question. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to see whether all the denominators are same or not. In this case, no, these are not same. This is 8, 2 and 4. Then you have to decide, okay, how I can make the denominator same. See, this is 8. So if I multiply this 4 by 2, it will be 8. If I multiply this 2 by 4, it will be 8. So okay, so do it. We have to make it 8. 4, 2 times 8, but you have to do the same operation in the numerator as well. we cannot do anything because it is 8 to 4 times 8, and again we have to do the same operation in the numerator. You cannot do the operation only in the denominator or numerator, in both. If you are doing in denominator, you have to do the same thing on numerator. If you are doing something in numerator, you have to do in the denominator. But here we are discussing about the denominator. Whatever you will do, see, we are making 8, so 8 2 times 8 in the numerator, and the denominator is also 8, plus 3 over 8, and then minus 8 over 8. Now our denominator are same. All denominators are same, and question is very easy. Only you have to write down one time denominator and write down whatever you have in the numerator with the same sign or same operation, positive 3, negative 8. So this is negative 8, this is positive 8. They will cross out each other. What is remaining is equal to 3 over 8, and 3 over 8 is improper or proper. This is proper because numerator is lesser than denominator, so this is the answer. One more question we will do. This is the mixed fraction. Here you can see the whole number, and one is with the negative, one is with the positive. So the first step is we will make it in fraction again, maybe the proper or improper. So how? You have to multiply the denominator with the whole number for 2 times 8, and then you have to add this 2. For 2 times 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 over 4. Right? This is the very important, that how you can make it. Do not do 1 time 2 like this, and then you have to add 5. Do not multiply 2 1 time 2, 2 5 time 10. No. 2 1 time 2, then you have to add 5. It will be 7 over 2. Positive 12, 2 3 times 36 plus 1, which is equal to 37 over 12. Now, what is the next step? Next step is you have to make the denominator same. How can you make the denominator same? If I will multiply 4 by 3, then it will be 12. 2 by 6, so 2 6 times 12. But you have to do the same operation in the numerator as well, whatever you will do in the denominator. So now multiply, it will be 30 over 12 minus 7 6 times 42 over 12, then positive 37 over 12. Now our denominators are same. Very easy question. You have to write down only one time, and then 30 minus 42 plus 37. See, this is 30 is positive, 37 is positive, so it will be 67 minus 42 over 12. So 67 minus 42, I will do it here, the remaining part. So it will be 25 over 12. See, this is the improper. Numerator is greater than, so when we divide it, so it will be equal to 2 whole number 1 over 12. This is your answer. This is. But I will show you how I did this. Very simple. You have to divide. See, 25 and then with 12. 12 2 times 24. And then 1 is remaining. So you have to write down 2 whole number 1 over 12. 2 whole number 1 over 12. If you want to make it improper, how you will do it? 12 2 times 24, and then this plus 1, again it will be 25 over 12, which means this is right. One more question. Again, see. So first is multiply 3 5 times 15 plus 1. It is 16 over 5, and then this is negative 10 2 times 20, 20 or 2, 22 over 10, and then again negative 21 time, and then plus this 21 times 20, and then 22 over 20. Now what is the second step is we have to make denominator same. How? If I multiply this 10 by 2, it will be 20. If I multiply 5 by 4, it is 20. And then you have to do the same operation in the numerator as well. So 16 4 times 64 over 20, negative 4 2 times 8, 4 2 times 8, this is 88. 10 2 times 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So it will be, sorry, we have to multiply this by 2, not by 4, sorry. So this will be 44. 44 over 20, because see, we multiplied in denominator by 2, not by 4. 10 2 times 20, so we have to write down 2 here, minus 22 over 20. Now our denominators are same, so you have to write down only one time, and in the numerator write down 64, negative 44, negative 22, right? So it will be equal to 64 with the positive and negative 66 divided by 20. Why negative? See, this is negative 44, negative 22, it will be negative 66, minus minus plus, but you have to use the same sign, negative. So it is equal to minus 2 over 20, and when we will cut 21 to 1 time, to 10 time, so our answer is equal to minus 1 over 10, and this is the proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator, so we cannot convert it to the mixed fraction. So what I did, I will repeat all the steps for you. First, I made it convert this whole number into fraction. 60, how you have to multiply denominator and whole number and then add the numerator in the same way. Then you have to multiply, you have to see which denominator you are going to make equal, so then multiply it and then take the common, 20 is common, and write down what is in the numerator, do addition and subtraction, and then answer. These are two practice problem, and answers are also available, but first you have to solve the questions, right? Then you have to make sure your answers are right or not. If still you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.